Are you one of those people who think a comprehensive health insurance is enough? But here is the truth. Health insurance pays for your hospitalization bills. But who pays for your rent? Who pays for your kids' education? Who pays for those EMIs when you are unable to go to work? If you are the sole earner of the family, then just a health insurance is not sufficient. You need a personal financial bodyguard. Today, we'll be discussing about a comprehensive personal accident insurance, which acts as a personal financial bodyguard at your time of need. Do you know that India witnesses almost 1200 accidents on a daily basis? By the time this video is finished, India would have witnessed at least 12 accidents. But this is the data for only road accidents. But what about a simple accident that happens at home? A person slips in the washroom or slips while climbing down the stairs. They are not covered in this data. Let me explain to you what exactly is an accident. As per insurance, an accident is any sudden, unforeseen and an external event. A slip on the wet floor, a burn while cooking, a tragic fall down the stairs. If it is violent, visible and external, then it counts as an accident. It can happen to anyone and anywhere. A common question that many people ask us is that we have a comprehensive health insurance. Do we actually need a personal accident insurance? And the answer is a very loud yes. In insurance, there are two kinds of policies. One is an indemnity policy and the other is a fixed benefit insurance. If I have to differentiate between a personal accident insurance with a life insurance or a health insurance, then these will be the important points. The primary goal of a health insurance is to cover your hospitalization bills, while the primary goal of term insurance is to provide a financial support to your family after your death. But a personal accident insurance objective is to provide you with income replacement and disability support. Health insurance is an indemnity insurance, while personal accident and term insurance are both fixed benefit insurances. Another way to look at it is that health insurance would indemnify the risk if you are hospitalized, while a personal accident insurance replaces your income if you are unable to go to work. So let's imagine a scenario. A professional who commutes daily to his workplace meets with an accident which may be a minor accident, a small fracture that keeps him away for 2 weeks or 2 months from his workplace, or a major life event that changes the career trajectory, a ligament tear, a partial or a permanent disability, a loss of eye, or anything of that nature. Is your insurance covering those kind of risks? If you are the primary earner of your family, then your family's lifestyle depends on your physical ability to work. Personal accident insurance ensures that in case you are unable to work, then at least there is some financial assistance that the insurance company is providing. Like I said, this policy is your financial bodyguard. Now let's see what a personal accident insurance actually covers. The policy covers accidental death, permanent disability, temporary total disability or partial disability, education benefits for your child, broken bones and burns. Your health insurance might not cover minor fractures because minor fractures can be considered as a OPD expense. Another major expenditure which a health insurance might not cover if a person goes under coma. What about the things that are completely excluded under a personal accident insurance? Any kind of self-harm you do, be it a or an attempted. Adventure sports are generally excluded unless and until they are specifically mentioned in the policy, be it bungee jumping, paragliding, or any such sports. Alcohol, drugs, or any kind of accident that occurs under the influence of these things can also lead to denial of claims. And of course, if it is a criminal act, then unfortunately you are on your own. In the next part of the video, we'll be comparing products from the two insurance companies HDFC and CARE Health Insurance. HDFC offers coverage starting from 10 lakhs and up to 5 crores, while CARE offers coverage starting from 30 lakhs up to 3 crores. Both the insurance companies provide 100% of sum insured upon accident or disappearance. HDFC offers 100% lump sum payout in case of accidental death or disappearance, while CARE offers monthly fixed 1% of sum insured as payout to the spouse or the child of the insured. For permanent disability, be it total or partial, both the insurers offer up to sum insured as per the table attached in the description. For temporary total disability, HDFC offers 1% of sum insured for 104 weeks, while CARE offers 1% of sum insured for 100 weeks, maximum up to 50 lakh rupees. For emergency medical expenses, HDFC offers rupees 1 lakh, while CARE offers rupees 5 lakhs. For dependent child education benefits, both the insurers are offering 10% of sum insured. For broken bones, HDFC offers up to rupees 1 lakhs, while CARE offers up to rupees 2 lakhs. For burns, HDFC offers up to rupees 75,000, while CARE offers up to rupees 20 lakhs. There are certain benefits which are provided either by CARE or by HDFC. For comatose benefits, or in case the patient goes under a coma, then HDFC provides up to 50% of the sum insured. For last rites, it provides up to rupees 10,000. For parental care benefits, it is up to 1 lakh rupees. Under hospitalization cash, HDFC provides rupees 3,000 for 30 days. Similarly, there are certain benefits that only CARE Health Insurance offers. Nursing care, rupees 1,000 per day, maximum up to 15 days per claim. Major diagnostic tests up to rupees 25,000. Mobility cover up to rupees 25,000. Reconstructive surgeries up to rupees 10 lakhs. Road ambulance up to rupees 5,000. Repatriation of mortal remains, lower of 2% of the sum insured or rupees 1 lakh. CARE Health Insurance also provides a 5% loyalty benefits for every annual renewal, up till a maximum cap of 50%. So as a final verdict, which plan is best for you? If you are looking for a higher sum insured and a lump sum payout in case of any mishap, then you should go for the HDFC's plan. Alternatively, if you like the features from CARE and want a continuous flow of income for your family, then you must choose the CARE Health Insurance Secure Child Plan. But how much does this cost? If I say that this costs less than 10 rupees, would you believe me? Well, this is the truth. The basic plan of 10 lakh rupees might just cost rupees 10 a day or even less. So what are you waiting for? Schedule a call with us or just drop us a message and we'll be happy to assist you. Don't wait for a mishap to realize the value of a personal accident insurance. Get in touch with us today.